What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video for you guys, and something pretty cool came. So big shout out to Tudia cases. They sent me something to share with you guys, and if you guys don't know, while I do like rocking my devices without a case every now and then, I'm not a complete idiot, and especially when I do things like going hiking, going out on the trails, going out to the lake, whatever the case may be. That's why you should keep your phone wrapped up. Always keep it protected. And I've been very intrigued and interested in Tudia cases. I've actually got one sent to me from BTech, and I really like that case. And so I reached out to them, see if they wanted to send me some cases for my Pixel 10, and long and behold, they did. So before we get into all that, hit the like button, and it helps support the channel. And for sure, I mean, if you guys like these types of things, it's probably the reason why you should subscribe to the channel, so you can get more of these types of videos and etc. This type of stuff. So anyways, let's go ahead and let's just kind of just jump in. So yeah, let's get this opened up. A lot of stuff going on here, and let's see. Why did it not want to open? We'll just do that instead. Let's see if I can get this open, or this is going to be one of those ones that gives me like issues. It shouldn't. Hang on. There we go. And get rid of the envelope there because we don't need it. We got the order confirmation. Let's get this out the way. All right, so we got two cases here from Tudia, and they look pretty cool. I'm ready to kind of open them up. So let's see. Looks like that we got one that's an indigo blue, and then one that's in green. So it's a very dark green, but anyhow, let's go ahead and take this case off the Pixel 10, so then that way you guys can see how the case fits on the phone. And I think I'm gonna start with the green. Let's do the green. And like these types of packages I like because I mean you just peel from the bottom, right? You don't have to like rip the package open technically. I mean, they do have some strong glue on here. All right, let's get this case out, pop out the little filler, and there you have it. Yeah, now you can definitely see this is a green, and I like this green. This green's really nice. So you can see it's got the MagSafe magnet back there. You don't really have to take these apart when you put them on your phone because they technically just snap on your phone really good. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And boom, there we have it. A very well put together, good looking case. And one thing I really like about it is that it's got this nice lip all around the edges, so I feel like my screen is going to be very much so protected. And of course the camera is going to be protected as well. Love this green color. It's like a military green almost is what it looks like to me. And like the gold accent from the lemongrass color Pixel 10 just kind of really just sets it off. So very nice indeed. And we got one more to open up here, so I'll go ahead and do that. And yeah, again, shout out to Tudia for sending these cases out. I might see if they have some for the Pixel 9a, even though I know like the Pixel 10a is coming out. But all right, let's take that filler out. And again, you got this shock absorbent pattern on the inside. Does this one have the let's find out. Okay, yeah, so one comes with the Pixel Snap and the other one does not. So they have two different types of cases if you want the Pixel Snap, or if you don't. I like this color too. This indigo blue color is really nice. Obviously, you know, it's going to go really well with the Pixel 10 Pro. And these do fit the 10 Pro for those who want to know. But of course, I use Pixel Snap. And let's see if charging can go through the case. And it does. And so the other case that I have is exactly like this one, but it's more of a light green color. So now I have 3 of these style designs. And yeah, Tudia cases. Definitely, I'll put a link to these into the description if you guys want to pick one up yourself. You guys can find them on places like Amazon and eBay and such. But I'll drop a link to the Amazon, and you guys could grab one for you. These just feel like they're going to be very, very protected, and they're not like overly bulky, but it's got some to it, which makes you feel like the phone is superly protected. The back of it is pretty hard, so it feels like you're going to protect the back if you accidentally drop it. So yeah, pretty cool in my opinion. Pretty cool cases, but that's just me. What says you? Tell me what you guys think of these cases, and drop your comments about them in the comment section. Would love to hear you guys' thoughts, comments, concerns, emotional outbursts about that. Thanks for checking out today's video, and we'll talk to you all on the next one. And as always, aloha.